So this is the comparison between four different AI companies and how they go about image creation for YouTube thumbnails. So I gave it this prompt where I had a thumbnail reference and I gave it 10 photos of me, and I was like, hey, could you basically recreate this photo, change the text to what I need, put in Coca-Cola, Pepsi, and replace this with me. And it did a pretty good job. And I was like, oh, I wanted to replace, I accidentally said maybe. So let's change it to when two conflicting brands reach out. I was like, oh, make me look a bit more clean and brand friendly. Like, this is very good. Gemini, on the other hand, could not replace me for some reason. Let me try one more time. Replace the person on the left on the image with my face. Let's see if that works. Grok, yeah, could not do it as well. Let's maybe give it the exact same prompt. But on the other hand, like, the image just looks ugly. And then Claude did the worst. It just slapped one of the photos on. It's over. It's like ugly. Yeah. Oh, pretty meh. What the hell? It just zoomed in on me. So the clear winner is ChatGPT when it comes to image generation for YouTube thumbnails. I'll give you a quick tutorial on how I go about doing it. So I'll get an image reference like this. I'll go to this website to download the thumbnail. I'll go to ChatGPT, let's create a new chat. I'll drag the image in, I'll upload photos of myself. I'll paste in this prompt, but I'll create like a custom one on top. Please replicate this photo. Have me similarly standing on a side view on the left hand side. Create this timeline and have 4 notches, because the 4 notches, I'll place 4 different logos on it and images on the 4 notches. So just do the lines. So instead of having 1964, keep that blank, but have 4 line breaks where I can add in my own logos on top. And at the top, instead of the life of Van Homenhim, replace that with comparing, or maybe not that, replace it with AI thumbnails. AI thumbnails. I think that's a good one. AI thumbnails. Okay, so let's wait for it to do its magic. That'll be the thumbnail for this video, ironically. This is pretty cool so far. Now I might like play around with the prompt. Say something like, 1, please make the word AI thumbnail be bigger and fill the whole horizontal length. 2, in this image I see that you created 5 notches on the line. I only need 4, and I need you to sort of center the 4 where I can place a logo and image below. And 3, the background, instead of like this nature background, use the same art style but create something more futuristic in a similar bright art style, and also have me maybe dress in more like of a futuristic modern clothing as we move into this AI centric future. Let's see. This is pretty freaking epic. Wow. This is cool. Okay, so I'm gonna download both of them. To be honest, I'm gonna download all three because YouTube you can actually split test 3 thumbnails. So I like to get all the assets, but this is so cool. So what I then do is I drag the 3 thumbnails I got from ChatGPT into Canva because for some reason ChatGPT doesn't do like horizontal images. It's sort of a bit annoying. So you have to sort of like magic expand it. Yeah, that's good. So you click on it, edit, magic expand, whole page, expand. Okay, wow, pretty nice. Very nice, actually. Wow, this is freaking good. What the hell? That's pretty good. One more to go. You can see I've done it with other more real life looking photos as well. So this strategy works with all art styles. Wow, so good. Yeah, that's the best. Now let's put in the logos that we wanted. So I'm going to show that like, hey, this is what ChatGPT made. I need somehow be able to fit 4. That's 1. So I've got the 4 other thumbnails. Man, the image generation is like a long, long way to go. Let's have everything centered, position. There we go, spaced evenly. And do the other logos. So that was Gemini. Man, that looks fresh. Might have to put a white line here to match it up. Okay, let's get creative with this. So 1, I need to make it white. 2, I need to make it thicker. Perfect, there it goes. Put it into this one as well. Make it thicker. cool. Wow, that looks fresh. Copy it down. Wow, this looks good. Man, this is so freaking good. Wow. Very, very happy with these. So let's go ahead and download them. So yeah, that's how you can use AI to create thumbnails. And you also got to get a comparison between all the different brands, and ChatGPT is the winner. And in the future, as other companies get even better, you can go ahead and reuse this tutorial for any new company. Peace.